Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Tuesday the 18th of April 2023. Let's take a look at crypto markets. Ethereum, I'm zoomed out on this particular chart. Why is that? Because I wanted to take you back to a level which is around about there, as you can see, of February of last year. Right at the end of Feb, we came into that particular level and saw quite a significant bounce. And what is that level and why is it of importance now? It is 2300, so it's a really nice round number target for us. Ethereum has broken out, we know that. Momentum is to the upside. We've been holding up quite well over the past sort of 12 hours of trade, so basically since the start of the trading day today. We've been able to hold at 2050 and put in what is a near-term low. Question is now, can they break out of this most recent range? We have seen a bit of a pause here since that nice acceleration to the upside last week. If we can break out of there, then why not take on that 2300 handle? Bitcoin coming into a pretty important low of its own. I've been telling you guys about this particular level now for some time. That's 29,230, and we did highlight it 24 hours ago inside this brief because I think we're trading just under these lows here around 29,855, and I said, okay, from here, do we see a move down into 29,230? That's the big level for me, not 30,000. What did we get? We saw an exact move down into there, pierced it by a point or two, and then just finished and closed above. Today we tried breaking below again, but we've held above quite firmly. That is a significant moment for this trend in Bitcoin. Being able to hold on to a massive, what was resistance, now turns support level. This is going back multi-years, by the way, and a really strong day so far, it must be said. And we're up off that 29,230, up in, we're over 1,000 points to the upside from that level. So some really solid support basically in there, high low potentially printed. Can we push on higher from here? Ripple relatively flat, 51 cents, basically that 50 cents mark provides some mean reversion, line in the sand at the minute. Litecoin looking to punch above one of its own resistance handles. I mentioned in yesterday's brief 102 to the upside was key. I suggested we might even see a move a little bit further lower into 95 to try and get a big retest in here of its own major support level. We didn't quite get down into that. We got into 98 and then we've seen a move up off that. But now we are looking to trade above 102. 102 is Litecoin's important handle that we really need to see a strong daily close above this area and ideally above the actual high around 105, it must be said. So that's probably the overhead level that we should be targeting, the high of around 105 or 2, and that was mid-Feb of this year. Because then if we can get through that, we're going to start punching higher and we can start to talk about 115s as an overall target over the next month or so. Pretty much it from my end, guys. There's no other major news to bring your way in the crypto space for now. We'll leave it there. We'll just do a double check of the economic calendar for today and run through anything in the US which might be market moving. I don't see anything in particular there which is going to be alerting crypto markets. So that's it from my end. I'll see you all inside the chat room. Thanks and bye for now.